Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm just going to talk briefly about what's been going on in the last month or two. After the last episode we did, the burnout car has been put on hold. It's been parked up in the corner, as you can see. So we were going to do an engine swap on a green Chevron. Unfortunately, the owner, through ill health, has decided not to carry on with that project. So obviously I can't really show you how it works. So what I've done is I've gone out and we've bought another Chevron for the channel. So part of the deal was that I sold my Lucky Strike Chevron. So the 3.8 litre V6 Lucky Strike Chevron has now gone to a new owner. I firmly believe that cars do eventually find people that appreciate them more. Aaron, the new owner of the Lucky Strike Chevron, through issues needed an automatic. Manual was a very hard car for him to use, and so with the Lucky Strike Chevron being an auto, it's finally found an owner that appreciates it more than I will. So good luck to Aaron on that. So getting on to this Chevron that we've got for the channel. It's a 1991 Chevron. As you can see, it comes full of rust. It's running a 4AGE into a 5-speed box with a S14 Nissan independent rear end. So the plan is for me to do it up and get it up and running. There's going to be a lot that needs to get done to it. As you can see, I've managed to keep my old roll cage from the Lucky Strike Chevron. This needs to be modified. From briefly what I can see, the fuel tank needs to be modified for my needs because I want to do a lot of touring with this car. And at the present it's got a 30 litre tank in it and I want a 40 litre tank. We need to get the motor running. This car hasn't been on the road for 8 years. So if we come around and take a look, as we can see, it is in serious need of some TLC, which we will be giving it. There's certain things about it which I really do like we've got a luggage compartment, which my other one didn't. There's some things I'm not a big fan of, like the wooden steering wheel and so forth. It's obviously going to need a lot of new stuff for it, and we'll be taking you on that journey with us as we do this. So I'm in two thoughts at the moment. One is just get it up and running, get it on the road and use it over summer so I can figure out what I need to do to it. Things I will be doing for it pretty immediately. We'll be getting new mags and tyres for it. These are perished and I don't like the style of the mag. That being said, the tyres are perished, so they won't be able to get on the road anyway. And maybe just do something about having not so horrible a paint job. One of the other things I wanted to do, and it's been in the back of my mind for a little while, and as you can probably see in the background, I've got a little luggage container, little luggage trailer, but it's big enough for a mattress and it's super light. That as it sits weighs 250 kgs, so it's not a very heavy trailer. And I'm seriously thinking about putting a tow bar on the back of the Chevron and doing up that luggage trailer into a sleep pod. So when I go to festivals such as the Kumu Classic Car and Hot Rod Show and that, which we usually sit there for about 3-4 days, instead of pitching a tent, I'll have a little mini caravan. If I don't put it on the Chevron, I still firmly believe that it's something that we need as the world grows towards having smaller and lighter cars. I've got a Toyota Aqua, which is basically a small Prius, and that gets me 700 kilometers for $30 30 liters of gas. So obviously that car's not big enough to tow a caravan, and I'm getting past the point where I really want to pitch a tent. So small cars, and once again I think something like the little Sweet Pod will certainly help it along and be quite good. We'll see, we'll find out. It will be an interesting journey as we go anyway. But first things first, I just wanted to show you guys this Chevron. And so you can see that, yes, it does need a lot of work, and I will be starting to post up a lot more content. So if you like what you see, hit subscribe, hit like. By all means, please ask questions. I will attempt to answer them as honestly as I can. And until we can get up some more content, thank you very much, and you have a good day.